Arthur's point of view. It's Jimin's birthday. Everyone wished him except Yoongi, Yoongi's parents, and his grandparents. He was very sad and waiting for everyone to return back. When his grandparents returned back, they didn't wish him. Grandma gave him bread and jam and told him to clean the house too. He was very hurt by her behavior. She didn't prepare any special dish for him and didn't wish him to. He unwillingly ate his breakfast and cleaned the house too. Grandma sent him to buy sesame for the lunch, but he didn't wanna go. After getting lots of scoldings, he went outside and found lots of balloons tied up on the main gate. My Vida was written on the balloons. He became very happy to see them, but Grandma snatched them from his hand and sent him to market. He was nervously walking on the road. Just then, a biker boy stopped the bike in front of him. He picked the brake to throw on him, but he immediately removed the helmet. He was none other than Yoongi. Jimin became super happy. He quickly sat on the bike. Let's see what happens next. Jimin, Yoongi, Jimin, first go to the market. Yoongi, we? Jimin, Grandma told me to buy sesame. Yoongi, don't worry, I already informed her that you are with me. Jimin, okay. Where is Oma and Appa? Grandma said you took them to visit nearby places. Yoongi, I dropped them somewhere. They want to spend some alone time with each other, so I left them there and came here to pick you. Jimin, so we are going to meet Oma and Appa? Yoongi, no, we are going somewhere else. You can meet them at night. Jimin, okay. Yoongi, now what? Jimin, this bike's speed. Yoongi, is it too fast? Wait, let me slow down. Jimin, no, it's too slow. Can you ride a little fast? Look, everyone has gone ahead of us. Yoongi, no, let them go. I can't ride fast. You are with me. Protective cat. Jimin, it's better I can walk. If Cookie was here, then we will go on long ride. His riding skills are so good. Now I missed him so much. My Cookie. You copied my Cookie's idea of kidnapping me, but you can't ride the bike like him. He is the best rider. Yoongi was burned due to jealousy. His husband is taking other boy's name in front of him. How can he take this? Yoongi in mind. What's wrong with this kid? I rented a bike for him because he loves bike ride, and here he is taking that bunny boy's name. He missed him. And what's this with my Cookie? He isn't his. Only I am his. He can say only my Yun, nothing else. He wants fast bike ride, right? Then let me show him real bike riding. Smirk. Jimin, Yun, what are you thinking? Yoongi, no, nothing. For your kind information, I didn't steal Bunny Boy's idea. I didn't think to kidnap you. I came here to take you somewhere. You want fast bike ride, right? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes, but you can't ride it fast. Leave it. Yoongi went to bike shop from where he rented his bike and exchanged Jimin's helmet with baby helmet and made him wear. It's perfect liquid on his head. He is looking more cuter in this helmet. Yoongi, now hold me tightly. Jimin, I don't need. You are riding too slow. Yoongi, okay, as your wish. He immediately increased the speed as they are on the deserted road, so there is no issue of speed. Jimin screamed and immediately hugged Yoongi tightly. He was flying the bike in full speed but carefully. Jimin didn't expect this. Yoongi looked at him through side mirror. What happened, kid? Open your eyes and see how beautiful hair's feather is. Jimin hugged him more tightly. I can't open my eyes. It's too fast. Slow down, please. Yoongi, no. You told me to ride fast. I can't slow down. Enjoy it. Jimin, no, please, nah. stupid and I said things without realizing my words. But you are my sensible Yuna. Please slow down. I can't take it more. I also want to enjoy the views. Please slow down na. Yoongi, no, it's too late, kid. Jimin wins. I'm sorry na. Yoongi, okay, I will slow down, but you have to say one thing. Jimin, I agreed. I will say whatever you want. Yoongi, okay then say I'm better writer than Bunny Boy. Jimin, you are telling me to lie. Yoongi, increase the speed. No, you are better writer than Cookie. Happy? Now please slow down the speed. Nah, have some mercy on your one and only kid. Pulled a super cute and innocent face. Yoongi, melted by his cute face, and immediately slowed down the speed. Okay, fine. Don't you dare to compare me from others. Now open your eyes. Jimin opened his eyes and sighed in relief. Mini Yuni, I will also take my revenge. Mumbles. Yoongi, did you say anything? Jimin, while tightly back hugging him. No, costly rice is so beautiful, Yun. Yoongi, it's Costa Rica. Jimin, no, it's costly rice. Didn't I explain you before? Yoongi, yeah, I know your explanation that here's people can't pronounce its name, that's why they changed it. I remember everything. Jimin, correct, you have really sharp memory, Yun. Patted his head. Yoongi, happy to see his cheerful voice. Thank you. Yoongi was riding the bike and Jimin was sitting behind. He was singing and chirping like a happy bird. He was so happy. Why? Because he was with his Yun. Whenever he is with Yoongi, he is the most happiest person of the world. It's Yunmin's first ride, so it has to be memorable, right? Yoongi, are you enjoying it? Jimin, more than that. Yoongi, good. Jimin, Yun. Yoongi, Jimin, where are we going? Yoongi, it's a surprise for you. You will be so happy. Jimin, really? Yoongi, really? Jimin saw Yoongi's right earlobe which still has faded teeth mark. He became so angry. Jimin angrily shouts, Yun! Yoongi, one day you will definitely make me deaf. What? Tell me what happened. Why are you shouting? Jimin, what happened to your earlobe? Yoongi, my earlobe? Nothing happened. It's perfectly fine. Jimin, what fine? See, here is teeth mark. Who bite you? Yoongi, teeth mark? Remembered last night incident. Don't you know? Jimin, no. If I know, then why would I ask to you? Yoongi, in mind, is he already forget how he bite me? Jimin, what are you thinking? I am asking something to you. Tell me, how did you get this mark? Yoongi, it's nothing. My precious kid just bite me, nothing else. Jimin, furious. Precious kid? Who is he? When did you make new kid? Is he cute? Yoongi, he's so cute. He has soft, chubby cheeks too and cute baby teeth. Jimin looked himself in side mirror and pressed his cheeks by his baby hands. Jimin, in mind, has his cheeks more chubbier and fluffier than mine? Does he really more cuter than me? Made super cute face. Whatever, he is more cuter than me or not. It doesn't matter. Yun is only mine and he has to leave my Yun. I will throw him out of my Yun's life. Jimin was in deep thought and got jealous by himself. When Yoongi didn't hear Jimin's voice, he checked him in side mirror and saw his face, which was burning due to jealousy. He badly wanted to laugh his lungs out, but somehow controlled himself. Yoongi, in mind, so my little Jimmy is jealous. I see. Let me make him more jealous. He is looking so cute. Yoongi, you know Jimin? Jimin, in mind, he called me Jimin, not kid. I have to do something really fast. Jimin, more furious. I'm your kid. Your one and only kid. Call me kid. Yoongi, okay, okay, kid. Why are you so angry? Jimin turned his face. Huh? Yoongi, Jimin saw Jimin's angrily glare. I mean, kid. My kid has sweet, melodious voice too. Jimin slapped Yoongi's back. Ah! Jimin, what happened? Yoongi, why did you hit me? Jimin, me? No, no, no. I didn't hit you. Here is dirt. So I just started cleaning it. Yoongi, okay, okay. Stop that flower shop. Jimin, why did you stop here? Yoongi, wait here. Don't go anywhere. Hold the bike. I will be back in 2 minutes. Jimin screamed, ah! I don't know how to ride the bike. I can't handle it. It's moving. Yoongi stood the bike on double stand. Now you won't fall. You don't need to handle it. Just sit here quietly. Took the key and left. Jimin mimic Yoongi. My kid is so cute. He has a melodious voice. Melodious voice, my foot. Just see me. Am I not cute? I'm thousand, no, million, billion times better than his so-called kid. I have the most melodious voice. Yoongi came there with beautiful bouquet and saw Jimin was looking at the side mirror of the bike and bubbling something with cute, furious face. Yoongi in mind, he is still talking with himself. My little Jimny is unbelievable. Yoongi threw the bouquet on Jimin. Take this and move. Jimin caught the bouquet and moved backwards. Is this for me? How beautiful is. Thank you. I smiled. Yoongi sat on the bike and started. No, it's not for you. It's for my kid. He loves flowers. Jimin, I also love flowers, but you never brought flowers for me and brought for your so-called new kid. Yoongi, I told you now, when you will become old, I will buy lots of flowers for you. Jimin in mind, here he forgot about my birthday. Instead of wishing me happy birthday and giving me flowers, he made new kit and brought flowers for him. Jimin about to throw the bouquet. Then why would I hold the bouquet which you brought for your new kid? I will throw it. Yoongi, I dare you to throw. Then I will tell you. Jimin stopped in middle. What will you do? Yoongi, I will throw you in the sea, then you will become fish meal. Do you want me to do this? Jimin, I know swimming. I won't become fish meal, said proudly. Yoongi, okay, we will see that. Jimin, I know you are only scaring me. You can't throw me in the sea. Yoongi, why do you think this? Jimin, I'm your the most cutest and precious kid, na. If you throw me in the sea, then how will you live? I know you can't live without me. Yoongi, who told you this? Now I have new kid. I will live with him. Jimin, furious but controlled himself. Your new kid is nothing in front of me, and I won't allow you to make new kid. It's illegal. I can sue you. Yoongi, how can you sue me? Jimin, remember one day when you were sleeping till late and I came to wake you up? You promised me that only I can be your kid. No one else can take my place. Now, if you broke the promise, then I will sue you. Yoongi, yeah, I remembered, but I didn't make any written promise, did I? Jimin, thanks hard. Yeah, you didn't. So what? If there is any written promise or not, you can't allow to have new kid, and that's final. Yoongi, why can't I have? Jimin wins. Aren't I enough for you? Yoongi, my new kid is so good. Jimin, you can't scold him. You can't live without scolding me. I'm million billion times better than him. Yoongi, I don't need to scold him because he is so obedient. Jimin, I'm also obedient. I follow your all the words. So now throw your new kid from your life. You only need me, nothing else. Yoongi, okay. Then give me 3 reasons. How are you better than my new kid? Jimin, only three. Okay. I can give you headaches and heart attacks. I can shout and yell on you. I can force you to do things for me. Yungi, are these your qualities? Jimin, of course these are. And don't forget, I have four Omas and now I have Chini Hangi too, said proudly. Yungi, do you think I'm scared from them? Jimin, of course you are. Yungi, Min Yungi never scared from anything or anyone. Jimin, let come your new kid, I will scratch his face. Yungi, but you don't have nails. Jimin looked at his nails. Oh yeah, but don't worry, first I will grow my nails, then I will scratch his face. Yungi, that's wrong, you can't do this. Jimin screamed, ah! Yungi, ah, my poor ear. Now why are you screaming? Jimin, I told you now, only I can be your kid. That's final. Now I don't want any discussion. Focus your concentration on writing. I will see who will dare to snatch my Yun. You are only mine. I will never share you with anyone. Hugged him tightly and leaned on him. Yoongi looked Jimin through side mirror and smiled brightly to see his cute sulky face. He was very happy to know about his jealous side. Time skipped at the destination. Yoongi stopped the bike. Jimin was still holding him protectively. He was closing his eyes. Yoongi smiled to see him. They came far away from their house, almost the end of the city. Yoongi, kid, open your eyes. See, we reached at our destination. Jimin opened his eyes and cutely rubbed his eyes. Yoon, we reached. Yoongi, we reached. See? Jimin looked here and there. Where are we? Yoongi, very far away from our home. Jimin jumped down. Ah, my legs hurt so much. Yoongi, while parking the bike. You said too long, that's why it hurts. Don't worry, it will be fine soon. He stretched his body while waiting for Yoongi. Yoongi, are you fine now? Jimin, let's go. Yoongi, give me bouquet. Jimin, we? Yoongi, because it's for my new kid. Jimin, forget about him. It's mine now. It's so pretty and all the pretty things only belongs to me. And don't forget, you gave this to me. Yoongi, liar. When did I give it to you? Jimin, when I was sitting on the bike, you threw this on me. Yoongi, that's for holding it. Jimin, whatever you mean, I loved it and now it's mine. I won't give it to you. Hug the bouquet tightly because our Jim can't hold anything. He just hugged. Yoongi, you're such a robber. Jimin, what robber? You buy this by your money and whatever is yours is mine too and mine is already mine, said happily. Yoongi shook his head. You and your logic, unbelievable. Jimin, are you coming or should I go alone? Started walking. Yoongi mumbles, like you will survive without me. Jimin, yawn. Yoongi, coming, kid, wait. Jimin stopped. What? Yoongi closed his eyes. Jimin, wee. Yoongi, because I said now quickly close your eyes. I have surprise for you. Jimin, but promise me you won't snatch my bouquet. Yoongi, I won't. Now close your eyes. Don't you have trust on me? Jimin immediately closed his eyes. I trust you more than anyone else. Yoongi quickly blindfolded him and held his hand. Yoongi, don't worry, I will never break your trust. We are going somewhere. Don't be panic, okay? I'm holding your hand. Let's walk, okay? Jimin, scared but full trust on Yoongi. Okay. Yoongi took him somewhere and opened his blindfold. Jimin quickly rubbed his eyes and opened it. Yoongi, your surprise is here. How's it? Jimin, eyes widened. You really took me here? Are you going to throw me in the sea? I thought you were kidding. Too scared. Yoongi face palmed himself. You can't think anything good, right? Did you lost your bean-sized brain on the way? Jimin wins. Yoon! Yungi, what Yun? For your kind information, it's leak, not sea. You saw sea, but can't you see that boat? Jimin, boat? Where is it? Yungi turned his face. See, there is it. Jimin, so you are going to throw me by the boat? His mind stopped working, guys. Yungi, yep. I came here while riding 2 hours to throw you in the sea. I'm in lake. I hired boat because I want to take you middle of the lake, then push you. You said you know swimming, nah. That's why I will throw you in the middle of the lake so you can't swim back. Jimin, really? Yungi hold his hand and started dragging him. Talking with you means banging my head on the wall. Jimin looked here and there, but here isn't any wall. Yungi, calm down, Yungi, calm down. Made himself a little bit calm down. You won't understand anything because your bean-sized brain stopped braining. Jimin laughed. I was just kidding, Yun. I know we came here for boating. I already saw the boat. Yungi, you little Jimmy, you are so meany. Jimin, but less than you, mini Uni. Arthur, and here we go again. They are bickering here too. They will never gonna change. Our Yunmin. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? How's Yoongi's surprise? Now what will they gonna do here? Arthur's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. How's Yunmin's bickering? How's Yoongi's surprise? Did you like it? Well, it's just starting. Yoongi planned so many surprises for Jimin's 21st birthday. I'm sure you are gonna love it. In next episode, we will see Yunmin's boat date with lots of bickering. Bickerings are compulsory because they are a normal couple. They are Yunmin. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.